So guys, I'm back with another video, and it's been a while since I've made a video that has our waterfalls in it that I made probably, what, 5 months ago, 6 months ago? Well, my waterfalls, if I turn around here, are all back. Due to the rain, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 waterfalls in our waterfall area, which is amazing. I don't think I've ever had this many. But yeah, I would like to show you them. So we're going to start with the smallest one right here. Let me get closer. As you guys, I'm sorry, I'm going to have to speak up really loud for this because it's really the water's really loud. So that is our first waterfall. And it's going really, really fast. Then, if we move it over here, we have our original waterfall that you guys remember seeing. It's not going as fast as the others, but yes, that is our original one. And then, if we go next to our original one, we have a new one that formed, which I'm going to zoom in on there. You can see that. It formed, it's a really big area. But, if you go on the other side, I'm going to get a better video for this one, better area. But if we go over here, we got our biggest one, I'm pretty sure, right here. As you can see, it's massive. Look at that. And we got that little stream, which I'm not worried about. I'm worried about this one. Look at that. That's a good photo, good picture. But then we got this one right up here. It's a smaller one. It's just moving through the leaves. It's not really a waterfall as much. And then we got that small one right there. I didn't even notice that one until now. It's not, I can't even see where the exit is of that one. But then if we move down here, we have our last one right here. This looks really, really cool. But I'm going to move it on to the biggest one, because that one looks amazing with how fast the water's moving. And if we look up the stream, underneath the bridge, look at how fast that water's moving. It's moving really, really quickly. I know this video isn't really much, but I just really wanted to show you guys how fast the water's moving and everything. It rained for, what, 3 days straight, I think? Right now it is Sunday, so yeah, it rains Saturday, Friday, and Thursday. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show you. But if you guys want to see like more random things, there's probably more down that way. But anyway, yeah, so see you guys all later. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe if you're at all new to the channel. I'll see you guys all later.